Good morning, students. In class 10, we have already finished our 3 lessons in textbook. Now today, as I have already told you, that I will begin one lesson from grammar. So, I am going to explain the term narration. In this part of grammar, we try to learn the two ways how a person expresses affect. So there are two parts of this narration. The first part is direct speech, in which the original and the real words, real sentence is written, which is told by a particular person. It's the second part, which is known as indirect narration, indirect speech. In this part, we translate the same spoken matter by a person in our own terms. That is, when the same matter is spoken by third person somewhere else, then that is known as indirect narration. Just say at present I am studying before you, I am teaching you. So, if I say, the teacher says, students, be sincere towards your study. Now, it is known as direct narration. The teacher says, here I am writing it. Here I have given one example which will make you clear about this part of grammar, narration. In example 1, I have written, the teacher said, शिक्षक ने कहा, the teacher said, read your lessons regularly. अपने पाठ को नियमित रूप से अध्ययन करो. These words are of the teacher. This matter is told by the teacher. And the same, whatever the matter is told by the teacher is written here. So it is known as direct speech. The same words are written, which is spoken by a teacher. Now, this matter is understood and heard by some person. And he went somewhere and he told there that the teacher advised the students. शिक्षक ने बच्चों को सलाह दिया, द टीचर एडवाइज्ड द स्टूडेंट्स टू रीड देयर लेसन्स रेगुलरली. So in this matter, this sentence is indirect speech. These words are not told by the same person. The third person is speaking that matter. It is the fact of this narration part. So there are so many sentences. Some sentences belong to simple present tense, others are past tense, some may be from future tense. So systematically we will study all these parts. How a sentence is spoken by a person in direct speech will be converted into indirect speech. There are certain rules also about which we came to know in this lesson. So now I am going to discuss the same thing in present tense. Now, part wise, we will deal with this narration chapter. So, first of all, I am going to give you some of the sentences which are in present tense, and I will help you in transforming those sentences in indirect speech. So, first of all, see here, present tense. We are discussing some of the sentences from present tense only. So first example is he says, वह कहता है, I am honest, मैं ईमानदार हूँ. तो this matter is heard by some person and he told this the same thing somewhere else. How he will speak? He will speak that he says that he is honest. So in present tense, the tense of the direct narration is not changed into indirect speech. The tense is not changed. He says, the same thing is written here also. The inverted comma and inverted comma are removed by this word that, and because he says about himself, so I is replaced by he, and then it is followed by is. He is honest. वह कहता है कि वह ईमानदार है. तो ये उसके शब्द नहीं है. In this way, this matter is told by third person. The same matter is discussed there also in the indirect speech. So it is known as indirect because this sentence is told by some another person, some third person. It is the fact of this lesson. Similarly, I am going to give you some of the more examples, and your work is to translate them, to convert them into indirect speech. Just to see. Second sentence is Ram says. Ram कहता है, I can win this match. मैं इस मैच को जीत सकता हूँ. So the same matter is told by some third person. How he will say? he will say that Ram says, Ram कहता है that he can win that match. So this match, this word is converted into that, and comma, inverted comma is replaced by this word that. In this way, कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा को रिप्लेस करके हम दैट लगा दिए और मैटर वही रहेगा और इसका टेंस भी नहीं बदलेगा। प्रेजेंट टेंस के सेंटेंसेस में इनडायरेक्ट, डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट बदलते समय, कन्वर्ट करते समय, ट्रांसफॉर्म करते समय उसके टेंस पर ध्यान देना है। उसका टेंस नहीं बदलना चाहिए, मैटर वही रहना चाहिए। यू हैव टू रिटेन द फैक्ट इन प्रेजेंट टेंस ओनली।